So let's start with the Hello World of logo and try and recreate some of the first blocks. It always makes sense to start with a square because it simply is the most basic shape. So of course it's something about moving, and in motion we have the move block, and then I turn 90 degrees. And what I actually can do, you can see it here, is I can right click and then I can duplicate this, and then you can see, wow. And I can right click and duplicate this, and then you can see we managed to make our square happen. But as you can almost see out of this, it's not a very elegant way of doing things, and what's more, it doesn't actually let us change and experiment with things. So instead of doing the same thing all over 4 times, we can optimize it quite a lot by going to Control and then take one of the blocks that's called the repeat block. So the repeat block lets us do this much more elegantly. So I can do it like so, and I could say, well, 2, well, yeah, you can see what happens if I say 2, but I actually meant 4. So we actually get the same result by using the repeat block. Yeah, so that is the repeat. But if we wanted to sort of reuse it again, it's much more nice to actually make it turn it into a block. So if I press our little first chapter here, I can make a block, and I could call it box. And we'll expand on, but for now it's actually a box 100. I could remember it like so because I can take this definition and move here, and now you can see I say apply, and now I can drag the box. So instead of running this little script, I'm actually just running the block called box 100. So let's see if we actually get the same result, and lo and behold, we do. So now we've turned it, instead of being so many lines, we've turned it into a nifty little commando called box